So OnePlus just posted an official unboxing video of the OnePlus 13 before the launch event scheduled for 31st of October, and for sure this device is worth the wait. Yeah, OnePlus is going all out with the specifications and targeting the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung S25 series with this monstrous flagship. So yes, it is coming in this sick box which surely contains the device and a power brick, something missing from Samsung and Apple. This one got 24 gigs of RAM and 1TB storage, so max out specs right there. Inside the box we have this gorgeous all flat OnePlus 13 with subtle micro curve edges. The side got volume keys, power key and the iconic alert slider. Yeah, the white color does look stunning, got this matte finish on frosted glass. We have triple cameras and a flash inside a circular module, this with a silver line, Hasselblad logo on top right corner and a OnePlus logo to the center. The module is not attached to the side frame, so a different design compared to the OnePlus 10, 11 and 12. OnePlus 13 is coming with a quad curved display with no-to-less side top and bottom chain similar to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. They'll be using the BOE X2 panel and that display is gonna be even more brighter with better colors and with better eye protection. 6000 mAh battery thanks to all new Glacier battery technology, which is a lot thinner compared to normal batteries and can fit easily without making the device thicker. Then there's gonna be an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner which is fast, secure and works around water and dust as well. The OnePlus 13 is gonna support magnetic wireless charging similar to the iPhone's MagSafe. Yes, we may see some accessories from OnePlus or other third-party brands for the OnePlus 13 like a power bank, wallet or even some MagSafe supporting cases. The best part is it runs on powerful Qualcomm 8 Elite chipset which is based on 3nm TSMC process. There's Orion custom CPU with 2 prime cores clocked at 4.32 GHz and 4 performance cores. So there are no efficiency cores this time, which is something you all should note. Qualcomm is promising 45% boost in CPU performance, 44% improvement in the power efficiency and 40% faster and power efficient GPU. The icing on cake is OxygenOS 15, which is coming with some mind-blowing changes. Yeah, there's no way denying it does look like iOS 18, the animations, dynamic island style notifications and even the control center is iOS, but the animations are smooth, it is faster and there's bunch of options to customize the lock screen. So all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.